Hello my lovely friends, this is Nef from Nef's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I got in my Boxyluxe. Yes, this month is the Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe is the big one, and I will put the information about the Boxyluxe beauty subscription box somewhere here in the video so you can read it. I don't want to waste your time, but this is a big box and it comes once in every 3 months, and the price is little bit prices more naturally, because you get about 8 to 9 full-size products, and it comes, like I said, once in 3 months. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here is the box, and yes, I have opened it. I cannot wait to shoot the video. I always open. So this is the card, and here it has all the information about the box, all the prices and the products and what they are and everything. So it has all the details. I will definitely, as I go show you the products, I will tell you the price. So the first thing first, which I see, not in any particular order, this is the eyeshadow palette. And so this is the eyeshadow palette. It's Barbarella, I think that's how they pronounce, I'm not sure. And this is it. In the back it says Be Beauty London, jet milled color, delivers intense saturated color, light reflective sheens with velvety finish. It has glitter eyeshadows, shimmer eyeshadows and matte eyeshadows. So let's open. So these are the colors. Let's remove the plastic. And so the colors are pretty much neutral except this blue pop-up color, and it has lot of shimmery and glittery colors, and it has few mattes, 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. And the price of this eyeshadow palette is $50. So if you buy this one individually, it will cost $50. Wow. So the next product which I see here is Dominic, and this is creamy fill and define lip liner, and the color is Crush, and looks like a nude pinky kind of a color. Let's open. So this is how it is. So this is like a roll-on, and I like roll-on. Wow, this is nice and creamy, and the color is very similar to what I'm wearing right now. Mine is dark, and yeah, pretty similar. So this can be a really nice lip liner for this color. The price of this lip liner is $18. Wow. The next products which I see here is this, and this is Eloise. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name. It's a mini teardrop brush, and it looks the packaging is really nice, looks really luxury, pricey, and see, look the way it's packed. So it's like a teardrop brush. Normally I don't use a brush to apply my foundation because I have dry skin and I prefer sponge, but definitely I will try. And this is rose gold teardrop brush, and you can use to apply the foundation and yeah, whatever. And the price on this is $45. Wow, $45. So the next item which I see here is this, and this is Soleil Let Your Hair Shine mini heat brush apricot. And guys, this item I have chosen, like when you get the base box, they let you choose one item, and if you get Luxe, they let you choose 2 items. So one was this, I don't remember the second one, but definitely one was this, and this is a mini heating brush. And definitely it's good for traveling. It's a small mini. I will definitely try. And if you go and buy this is for $150. Wow, it's really expensive. I think it's overpriced for a mini hairbrush. Nevertheless, that's why you get Boxyluxe, where you pay a small amount but you get all this expensive brands and skincare and everything. On to the next item. The next item is AMNH Kiss the Stars, and this is a 24 karat gold lip plumping mask, and this one is for $42, and this has a real 24 karat gold biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask. Will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips, and $42. And this has directions how to use. Wow, look at that. Real gold flakes. So the next item which I see here is Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum, and this is for deep hydration and glow, and it's a serum. Look at the bottle, guys. It's so cute, nice bubble pink, and again it's written the same thing. So I'll just put it back. I'm not opening this. Guys, Boxycharm really gives nice skincare products, and other than moisturizer, I have never bought any skincare, especially the expensive skincare, because I get it in the Boxycharm. Most of the serums I get it in the Boxycharm. For this one is $42. So if you go and buy, this is for $42. Wow. So the next thing is this, and again this is another skincare. This is my Daily Dose of Glow Illuminate and Brighten. It says a cocktail of chlorella, vitamin A, hyaluronic acid, and encapsulated serums from Japan. So again, I am not opening. This says vitamin A and anti-aging wonder, and clear, bright and firmer skin with chlorella extract. And yeah, so it has given some information over here. Again, I'm not opening. This is going for my backup skincare. So like you see, you get nice skincare, and this one is for $65. Wow, if you go and buy this one, this is $65. Last but not the least, Cutie. This is Cutie because Easter is coming. So this is blending eggs. It's from Beauty Bakery. It says soft boiled eggs are best. Dip in water, squeeze and blend to perfection. So let's open. So this is how it is, and let's open. Wow, look at this. So many beauty sponges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 in green, like a sea green. I'm very bad with explaining colors. So 3 this green and 3 pinks. Wow. So I have backup of 6 beauty blenders. Wow. And this costs $18. Wow, not bad. For $18 you get 6 beauty blending, it says blending egg beauty sponges. Wow, not bad, huh? So this is it for what I got in my Boxycharm beauty subscription box. And if you have any questions regarding subscription box, please comment below and let me know. And please subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me. Follow me on all my social media links, and if you want to see any eye look from the palette, I will be happy to do it for you. And all my social media links are down below. You can follow me there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.